that's a whole nother thing to talk about. But yeah.
But you get this wave and it compresses all the air and fuel together even more so.
Yep.
Pre-ignition and detonation and knock is when you have a combustion or the process, the fuel burns / explodes at the wrong time.
Correct.
From the wrong source.
Imagine pressing on your pedal when it's still rising.
Correct. So your essentially this pressure wave increases and it compresses everything so tight that it heats up enough and it causes the fuel to ignite on its own, not from the main controlled source.
Yep.